How to use United Airlines promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. First up, I'm going to show you guys how can you get promo code for United Airlines. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in United Airlines promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for United Airlines. So head towards any of the website. Once you're at the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. 35% off, $200 off, $150 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Now I can copy the code, then click on redeem at United Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're at the official website of it, log into your account and book a flight. Then proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo codes. Over here, you'll need to type in the code and confirm your flight. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your flight. So this is how you can easily use United Airlines promo code. All you have to do is type in the code in the promo code section, and then the promo code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily use United Airlines promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.